Hey guys, welcome to another Tooele Tech training video. And today we're going to go over series circuits and how to add up and figure out the voltage or resistance or amps for a series circuit. I know it's another math class, and I'm sure you guys are excited about it. I can see it. You're that excited. So let's go ahead and define what a series circuit is. And I'm just going to draw one. First, I'm going to start out with the battery. So now we have all of our resistors, and I know I'm getting horrible at these resistors right here, right? And remember what a series circuit is. It's when something goes in one side and then out the other, in the one side and out the other, okay? I know this is kind of new. We're trying to figure out this series and parallel, but just remember everything is like in series, it's one right after the next. It's like a train, okay? So the cool thing about series circuits, or finding the resistance for series circuits, is all you gotta do is add them up. So if somebody gives you a circuit like this and they say, hey, what's the total resistance? Let's say they're all 1 ohm underneath all of these. 1 ohm, 1 ohm. Oh, that's horrible. We're gonna just add up each one of those. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna see that this one has 4 ohms in this circuit. Now again, if we needed to figure out, say, how many amps that circuit has, we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw our little V over I times R triangle. You know, remember it's usually drawn something like this, and usually there's a line right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we can figure this out. Let's say we're working with a 24 volt circuit here, 24 volt, and we have X amount of amps here. Or X amount of resistance, I'm sorry. We're going to try to find the intensity or the amps. So we got to have V divided by R. So what's 24 divided by 4? Well, that's going to be 6. So we're going to have 6 amps. So we can go over here and we can write 6A. Okay, so 6 amps is what it takes to move through this circuit. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to work one more just in case. All right. Okay, so now we got all of our stuff set up. Let's go ahead and say this is going to be another 24 volt circuit here again, okay? 24 volts, we're going to add all these up. We're going to have 5 plus 5, 10. We're going to go 17, adding the 7 onto it, and then we're going to end up at 19 ohms. So this is a 19 ohms circuit. Awesome. Okay, so we know it's 24 volts, and we have 19 ohms. Again, we're going to come up here and we're going to see V over R, so we're going to do 24 divided by 19, well, that's going to equal 1.263 amps. Okay, so that would be your answer right there. So let's go ahead and let's work another one just in case. But we're going to do a different one. Let's do this one where we try to find the voltage. So we'll exit that one out, and let's just take. All right, so you see we've got our circuit all set up, and we're going to work with 2 amps, so all we need to do is add up all of our resistors. So we got 5 plus 2, 7, 14, 15. So we have 15 ohms of resistance throughout this circuit. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply that by the I. So the I is that 2 amps, so let's go ahead and write that a little different. We'll like 2A times 15. So we're going to see 2 times 15 is 30. So we're going to have 30 volts to run this circuit. Pretty simple. So that kind of completes our adding our series circuit together, or doing a series circuit. That's that. Remember I was saying there's that one step you got to do. Well, the one step for this type of circuit is adding up all the resistors. In the next episode, or the next show, or the next lecture, we're going to talk about how to do a parallel circuit. So go ahead and work do your lab sheets for these kind of circuits, and then we'll move on here in a minute.